Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Roblox error called "This experience is unavailable to play due to account settings." So in order to fix this, it's actually quite easy, and when you're getting that error or you just aren't able to play the game because there's no actual play button, then here's how you can fix this, and it's really easy. So what you want to go and do is you want to go to roblox.com/home over on your browser. So you're not going to use the desktop version, you want to make sure to go to your actual browser and then to Roblox. Now what you want to do is you want to go to the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon right here and then on settings. What you then want to do is you want to make sure to go to privacy and you want to make sure that account restrictions are enabled, that this option is actually disabled. You sometimes need to type in a PIN if this is enabled, so just type in your PIN and click on unlock and now make sure that this is disabled. Secondly, what we're going to do is we're going to click on parental controls and we're going to make sure that all allowed experience is set to 13+. This means that you will be able to play basically every single game because all games on Roblox are for 13 years and older, the ones you're trying to play at least, so make sure that this is just set to 13+. And that should fix the issue for you. If we now go to the same game, then this will fix the issue and I now can play the game. So, if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.